What's up? Uptown Swing level 1. Maddie. Peter. We did some promenades today. Go a little something like this. Get it? Rock, step, triple step. Walk, walk, triple step. I put my partner in front. We walk and I go together. Then we do reverse promenade. I go in front. Come here. I go in front. Here, come. Open Maddie a little bit. Here, not so much pushing, just kind of guiding my partner. So, when we are doing that stuff, we sort of mix it up between the yo-yo and the promenade. Maddie's trying for a promenade. I go, hey, I change your mind on the yo-yo. When she's trying to do a reverse yo-yo, I say, oh, it's a reverse. You know what I mean? Promenade, you know what I mean? The idea is that followers are trying to go one direction at a time, and leaders can switch it up. You guys did a really good job mixing that up and then even following those differences. Then we took it back to our swing outs and our circles, and we made it even better. So we did a swing out from closed, right into a circle. We asked the followers not to turn too fast. And we asked the leaders to just pretend that the follower's coming, and just trust it, and you start your circle. We did the same thing with the swing out from closed to open, to open, to open, and just swing out over and over again. The idea here is we started out like before. Once we get the stretchy feeling, I step back and I just start the next swing up, and my follower's supposed to keep on coming and face me. And we just do it over and over.